The notebook on your desk? The book on your shelf? The cardboard box that delivered your last online order? The tissue you used this morning? They may look completely different, but they all share the same extraordinary beginning: a living tree. Every year, billions of sheets of paper are produced to support education, communication, packaging, healthcare, and global commerce. But transforming a towering tree into a thin, flexible sheet of paper requires one of the most remarkable manufacturing processes ever developed. This is the incredible journey of how trees become paper. Despite living in the digital age, paper remains one of the world's most essential materials. It protects products during shipping, preserves knowledge through books, supports education in classrooms, carries important legal documents, and even helps maintain hygiene in hospitals and homes. Every day, millions of tons of paper products move across the globe. Behind every notebook, newspaper, tissue, and cardboard package lies an enormous industrial process that combines forestry, engineering, chemistry, and precision manufacturing. The journey begins not inside a factory, but deep within a carefully managed forest. Contrary to popular belief, modern paper production does not simply rely on cutting down natural forests. Much of the world's paper comes from sustainably managed plantations, where trees are continuously planted, grown, harvested, and replanted. Species such as pine, spruce, and eucalyptus are carefully selected because they grow quickly and produce strong wood fibers, ideal for papermaking. After years of growth, specialized harvesting machines cut the mature trees with remarkable efficiency. The logs are then transported by truck, rail, or river to enormous paper mills, where the transformation truly begins. Before wood can become paper, it must first be prepared. As the logs arrive at the mill, powerful machines remove the bark. The cleaned logs are then fed into massive industrial chippers that slice the wood into thousands of small, uniform pieces. These wood chips are carefully screened to ensure they meet strict size requirements. Consistency at this stage is critical. Even small variations can affect the quality of the final paper. The chips are now ready for one of the most important stages in the entire process: turning solid wood into pulp. Wood is incredibly strong because its fibers are held together by a natural substance called lignin. To make paper, these fibers must first be separated. Depending on the type of paper being produced, manufacturers use either mechanical pulping or chemical pulping. In chemical pulping, the wood chips are cooked inside enormous pressure vessels using carefully controlled chemicals and high temperatures. During this process, the lignin gradually dissolves, releasing millions of tiny cellulose fibers. The pulp is then washed to remove impurities before passing through several cleaning and screening stages. For white paper products, the pulp undergoes an additional bleaching process that increases brightness while preserving fiber strength. What was once a solid tree has now become a smooth suspension of microscopic wood fibers. The pulp is mixed with large amounts of water to form an extremely dilute mixture. Surprisingly, this mixture contains more than 99% water. It is then spread evenly across a continuously moving wire mesh on one of the largest machines inside the paper mill. As water drains away, the fibers begin locking together to form a thin sheet. The sheet passes through powerful rollers that squeeze out additional moisture before entering enormous heated drying cylinders. Gradually, the soft pulp becomes strong, smooth paper. Finally, the finished sheet is wound into gigantic rolls weighing several tons. These enormous rolls become the starting point for countless paper products used around the world. At converting factories, the giant paper rolls are transformed into thousands of familiar products. Some are cut into notebook pages and printer paper. Others become newspapers, magazines, books, and packaging materials. Special machines fold paper into cartons, wrap cardboard around shipping boxes, produce paper cups, manufacture tissues, create paper towels, and even make highly specialized medical packaging. Although these products appear completely different, they all began as the same simple material: wood fibers. Paper has one remarkable advantage. It can often be recycled several times before its fibers become too short for reuse. Collected paper is sorted, cleaned, and mixed with water to create recycled pulp. Modern mills combine recycled fibers with responsibly sourced virgin fibers to produce new paper products while reducing waste and conserving natural resources. At the same time, advances in sustainable forestry, cleaner manufacturing technologies, and energy-efficient paper mills continue to reduce the industry's environmental footprint. The future of paper depends not only on innovation, but also on responsible resource management. The next time you open a notebook, read a book, receive a package, or hold a simple sheet of paper, remember the extraordinary journey behind it. From sustainably managed forests and towering paper mills to giant rolls of paper and the products we use every day, paper represents one of humanity's oldest and still one of its most important manufacturing achievements. What began as a living tree now carries our ideas, protects our products, and connects people around the world. Every ordinary sheet of paper has an extraordinary story. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to The Industry Lens for more stories revealing the incredible industries, materials, and technologies that shape our modern world. Thanks for watching.